Welcome to my super simple social media marketing course. This is Shelly, and we're going to start with a blooper. Hey, I'm Shelly, and I don't know what I'm doing. Hi, I'm Shelly, and I have some super simple social media strategies for you. It has come to my attention that while I have 30 plus years of marketing experience, and things kind of come natural to me just because of the length of time I have in this industry, it doesn't come natural for business owners and solopreneurs and entrepreneurs. So I thought it might be wise to put a little course out here to teach you the basics of social media, because I can build you a website and send you off into the land of trying to market and get traffic to your website. But if you don't really know the basics behind a social media strategy, you won't get very far, and that won't be good. So let's dive in. Okay, first things first, this is what's, I think, most important. You have a website. Hopefully you have a website. If you don't, stop here, go get a website, come back. You have a website, and the website is, unless you're in front of a person trying to sell your business to them, whether it be product or service, if you have a website, it's the only place you're going to get undivided attention from a customer. So your sole purpose with this website is, whether it's for selling e-commerce or just driving traffic to get people to learn about you so that you can do whatever you do, sell your business, your service business, regardless, your job is to drive as much traffic as possible to your website, okay? So back in the old days, if we had a brick and mortar, we would use like advertising in the yellow pages to get a business or to get people to find out who we were, or, it was all in-person marketing. So now that we have social media, which is great, it's a free avenue to market your business. People seem to forget that it's free. So when you put something out there and you don't get 700 hits and 30 orders on your website, one, it's probably because whatever you posted on social media is wrong. And two, it's because you're only using social media as your avenue. There's many avenues to get traffic to your website, and social media is only one of them. So today we're going to dive deep into how to cap on the potential of this free social media, because this course is definitely for those who want to do it themselves, don't have a big marketing team behind them, nor do they have a big budget. So let's dive deep and see how we can get you a super simple social media strategy that you understand and that works for your customers. Most importantly, it has to work for your customers, because you can post all day long on social media, but if you're not getting the right message out there, you're just wasting your time. So let's dive in.